Learning how to clean your own seafood will save you the stress of either eating bad ones or not properly cooked or clean ones. So hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning fish and crabs. One thing I have noticed is most times we get to buy fish from the roadside, or we get to eat fish and you tend to feel some scales in your mouth. Now I'm going to show you how to clean, and by learning this will enable you raise your standards. So when you're out there and somebody serves you fish that has not been properly cleaned, you're going to query them. If this is your first time on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like. So here today, this fish is male, and I'll explain how and why and how come I knew. This is because when cleaning fish, just by cleaning the stomach, you're going to know which is female or male. But that is not why we are here. We are here to learn how to clean fish and crabs. So first things first, you're going to grab your fish. Now fish has a lot to do with how you hold it, because most times I think that's where the discouragement comes from, how to hold your fish and how to like hold your knife. So we are going to see that right away. So this is how you hold your fish, and this is how you place your knife so it does not wound you and all of that. And then you proceed to remove the scales from it. You clean as far as the head. You do not say, oh, you're cleaning only the body. You clean the head of your fish. You clean every single part of this fish. So when you're done with the first side, you're going to turn to the next side, and then you're going to clean. Then proceed to create a straight line in the middle where you'll be taking out the stomach of the fish. So when taking out the stomach of the fish, you're equally going to take out the gills and trim the tail. That actually depends on you. Trimming the tail is not compulsory. So as you can see, this is the second demonstration. This is how you hold a knife, and most times the way you hold it is going to help you not splash scales or fish water all over your body. So this is what we have here, are crabs. This is more exciting because I've always wanted to fix crabs on here. So we are going to proceed to remove our shell, or the shell are crabs. Now you see this small V-shaped here, this V-shaped heart. We are going to open it and then press our knife inside, so that actually takes off our shell. That shell is not edible. So the next thing that is not edible are these fangs, or we are just going to take it out, and then we are going to proceed to remove this very soft body at the corner. So once we are done removing this, every other thing on this crab is edible. So just remove that because it is not edible. And when cleaning the inside or the chest of the crab, you have to be careful with how you place your fingers, so you don't end up digging the crab flesh and throwing it away. So I pray you watch this diligently so you understand where I am coming from. So this is what we are going to do. We are just going to wash and then remove like this. In most cases, you can just proceed to shake in water until it comes out. Now if you're cleaning a female crab, you might find eggs in it. So you might find something orange. Do not be scared. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. So you're just going to remove that as well. And look at how clean our crabs are. It is so clean. And you're going to proceed to rinse properly, then store in Ziploc bags, and they can last in the deep freezer for more than 4 to 5 months depending on your electricity in your area. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.